Alright, welcome into my computer. So in this presentation I'll be going over how to make money without referring friends and family. In this video you will learn a simple checklist of steps to do daily. That's right, I'm going to give you the step-by-step daily checklist. Now disclaimer, the income is not guaranteed. You are the one responsible to make the money. This is for informational purposes only. Well, let's begin. I have to let you know up front, the promise I make to you is this. You will learn what many of online marketers do, including myself, daily. I'm not promising results as previous disclaimer specified. However, I am guaranteeing that if you do this, you will have plenty of people to talk to about your offer, which will allow you to not have to be overwhelmed and be a pest to family and friends. Here is the daily plan. The first one is prospect. Now prospecting is where you go out and you try to get interested, targeted traffic. People that are interested in your offer, your ideal customer, if you will. You research where they are at first. In most cases they're on Facebook, other social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, nowadays TikTok. So once you know where they're at, you reach out to them. You contact them, and then you engage with them after posting. So an example on Facebook, you'll see it all the time in your news feed. Someone will post something, a picture, a video, a text written post of some sort. And what you do is you like, comment, you engage with that post. Same thing with people on your news feed. If you like something they post, you love, instead of like, you love, and you comment a genuine comment or compliment of their post and start a conversation. Sometimes that's the best way of having comments. You follow up and find out what the prospect thinks of the presentation sent. So example, let's say that you have a video that you want to share with somebody, a video that shares your opportunity with them. Well, what you do is you make a post, something that they can consume. We call this content. They go through it, they look at it, they like it, they comment, they reach their hand virtually, reach out to you. You engage, you respond back to them, follow up with them, and then you ask them if they would like to see another presentation, something that is equivalent or congruent with what you have already shared in the post. Example, make money online. Hey, would you like to have an understanding of how to make money online? If so, click here. Then they go through that link and it takes them to a presentation that you designed or your company has allowed you to be equipped with. And you allow them to go through it. And then this is what they decide if they want to continue on with you or not. Then you offer, which is you give the option to join or deny the product you're promoting. Now, if you're a network marketing, usually the process is you send them to a presentation. They understand that they have to do a certain amount of tasks in order to get the results that they're after for their network marketing business. Usually it's go out and get 3, and those 3 go out and get 3, and on and down the line it goes, up line and down line and sideline, and promoting products that you believe in that are going to give results and help people that are in that niche. So after they decide they want to buy whatever it is that you're offering, you then follow up with them even further. Now I want to go into detail on this. So put it another way. You build, you engage, and you sell to your audience on a daily basis. You go to their friend list, you look at what friends they have. This is called stalking. I'm sorry, I'm just kidding. This is called investigating and researching your ideal client in your client's friend list. Those that are prospects of your opportunity. You click follow next to their name if you like what you see. Usually you want to look for a face that's smiling, a professional look, something that is not provocative, something that is not inappropriate, something that's not blank, no picture at all, or a cat. You're looking for specific clues in their profile. What do they like? What is it that they're into? Who are they friends with? What are they offering on their website? Well, who is their association with what company? You're investigating the person to see if they're even a fit for your company, your opportunity. Or you could do like I did in the very beginning and just start adding people that weren't even my ideal targeted customers, and have a list full of people that are not engaging in your stuff and just wasting your space. But beyond that, once you know who it is that you're trying to reach, you've went through the follow process, you've added them as a friend because you believe that they are a good fit for your company. Now you started growing a relationship with them on Facebook, talking to them in their posts, such stuff like this. Usually on average, it takes about an hour to warm up Facebook before you do a post. So you want to engage on your friends' content, those that are added already to your friends list. Engage on your prospects' content. Raise your hand virtually, let them know that you're there. Reach back out to those that have responded to you. And this is how you get the algorithm to show your post to more people on a regular basis throughout your week. I recommend doing it weekly, 3 times a week posting. You can do every day if you like. It is a lot of work to do that. I have recently stopped doing Facebook. I am now focusing on what you're seeing right now on YouTube. This is the platform I choose versus Facebook. But I do have another video that I will go ahead and show you here. So let me go over to another screen. Be right back. Okay, so this is a video that I'm recommending that you would go to. It's on my channel. It's under Leads and Traffic playlist. You'll see all these different videos that are in this playlist. You're welcome to check it out. It's all about leads, different topics, basically leads and traffic. This one right here, Facebook prospecting. If you click that, I actually will go through real time over my shoulder what I have done in the past with my Facebook account. This is my current Facebook account. It is no longer looking like this. I did update it a little bit more better, but you get the idea of what I share in the video. Okay, back to my other screen. Alright, so now if you decide to go to that video, you'll learn in depth more of what I'm talking about in this. Build, engage, sell to those that you reach daily. Now I have more detailed resources available on the next slide. Since you stayed to the end, there is a free affiliate marketing gift that I have on my website. If you go to jonesrandomknowledge.com, you can go through the steps inside and learn how to generate leads for your business, which leads to sales. I'm hoping that this video is helpful to you, that it has given you value, that you've learned something. I am asking you to please refer someone. As a matter of fact, here, let me just say this. If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.